Hello, today I am going to talk to you about a special tool. We as teachers are always looking for innovative ways to reach to our students. Nevertheless, some classic tools such as a whiteboard can be very useful when trying to connect with them. However, technology has changed and this physical whiteboard has changed into virtual tools too. That means that all we can do in a physical board can be done with a special software, and arguably the most well-known software of this type is Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft Whiteboard is a cloud-based whiteboard software designed to help teams draw shapes, create tables, edit content, and comment at the same time on a digital canvas. The pen-based interface lets users add images, post sticky notes, type, draw, and move content across the canvas. A key characteristic is that it is free, and you can download it in the Microsoft Store. As I have here, you only have to search or type in the search bar and you're going to find. In my case, I already downloaded, but you can do it too. You can also use it with Microsoft Teams as an incorporated tool, but right now we will focus on the app. A huge advantage is that if you have a Microsoft account, you can sync in all the information as soon as you create it. Since the tool is very versatile, I'm going to focus on just 4 key aspects. I'm going to share so you can see the app, and here first you can see the toolbar where there is a wide range of options that you can use in your whiteboard. You can use an optic pen to write with different colors. You have a highlighter that can be used for painting as well. You have an eraser to clean the board as you need it. And you have the option to add images, text, or some files in the canvas. Second, automatic shapes. You can draw with precision. In Microsoft Whiteboard too, you can toggle the option to turn your drawings into shapes, such as circles, squares, and triangles. You also have a ruler that allows you to draw straight lines at specific angles. Third, ink beautification. An aspect I really like is that you can change your handwriting into editable text. You can write using your pen, and with the lasso, you can select it, and here you have the option ink beautification to create a text that you can edit using artificial intelligence. Fourth, ink graph. A final aspect is ink graph. Here you insert an image using the image menu. And if you want to make changes in the image, you can do it by selecting it and by clicking on Ink graph. You can obtain an editable sketch that you can change color, edit, or partially clean, as you want. It also works with screenshots. As you can see here, I have a screenshot that we can change into editable text. As I have here. These are a few of the many options you have with Microsoft Whiteboard. Is it better to use it with an optical pen, as I have in my case? But if you don't have it, you can still have access to a wide range of possibilities in this tool. Good luck, and remember, the only limit is your imagination.